How to set up auto reply on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down and find account type and tools. Simply tap on it. Then tap on switch to professional account. Then tap on next. Now simply tap on switch. Then tap on next. Now tap on the cross icon. Now go back to the home screen, open up Play Store, then tap on the search icon and type Meta Business Suite. Then tap on search. Now simply tap on install. Now wait for the app to install. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Again wait for some time. Then tap on other login options. Then tap on login with Instagram. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on tools at the bottom right corner. Then tap on settings. Now scroll down, then tap on automations. Then tap on see all. Now next to instant reply, simply tap on try it. Now select your Instagram account. Then tap on message. Now type the message and tap on save. And that's it. Again tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.